Welcome to our video on ChatGPT, the cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. In this video, we'll explore what ChatGPT is, how it works, and some of the ways it can be used to make our lives easier. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the future of natural language processing.
This is Video Connect TV, your #1 entrepreneurship channel. Want to take your business to the next level and make extra income? Then, subscribe to Video Connect TV now.
First, let's talk about what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT stands for Conversational Generative Pre-training Transformer. It's a machine learning model that's been trained on a large dataset of human conversation, which means it's able to understand and respond to natural language input in a way that's similar to how a human would. So, how does it work? ChatGPT is based on a neural network architecture called the transformer. The transformer is a type of deep learning model that's particularly good at understanding and working with sequences of data, like the sequence of words in a sentence. One of the most impressive things about ChatGPT is its ability to generate human-like text. This is called text generation, and it's a task that can be used in a variety of different applications. For example, it can be used to generate responses to customer inquiries, create new content, or even write poetry. Another great feature of ChatGPT is its ability to complete or continue a given text with coherent context from the given start. This is called text completion. This feature can be used for tasks like writing emails, composing tweets, and even coding. So, now that you know what ChatGPT is and how it works, let's talk about some of the ways it can be used.
This is Video Connect TV, your #1 entrepreneurship channel. Want to take your business to the next level and make extra income? Then, subscribe to Video Connect TV now.
As a virtual customer service representative, ChatGPT can help you respond to customer inquiries quickly and efficiently, reducing the burden on human customer service reps. As a content creation tool, ChatGPT can help you generate new and unique ideas for articles, blog posts, and social media content. As a language translator, ChatGPT can help you translate text from one language to another as a personal assistant. ChatGPT can help you schedule meetings, set reminders, and perform other tasks. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for natural language processing that can be used to generate text, complete sentences, and even translate languages. Its potential uses are endless, and as technology continues to advance, we're likely to see even more ways to harness its power. Thanks for watching and learning with us today.
If you like this video, subscribe to Video Connect TV, and when you subscribe, click on the bell button, so that you will be notified when we upload new videos on different ways you can take your business to the next level and make extra income online. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.